Alright, assembly dojo, technique 29, right or left. Set the arrow left or right with 50-50 probability. When making games, sometimes see these something that happen randomly. There's nothing to lose by learning all the different ways to create randomness. In addition to using time to create randomness, you can also use areas. You can set an object to appear in that area, right? Let's say that the entire state is our area. Now imagine half of that area, for example, the white half. Well, what are the odds that the object will appear in the half? It will appear there half the time, so the probability will be 50-50. So you can create randomness using time or areas, depending on the situation or super preference. Using areas for randomness can take away some of the precision for setting a specific probability, but you don't always need precision.